From the results page, tap on Jobs to switch to the job list. If you don't see any jobs in the list, make sure the right workspace is selected by tapping Change Workspace from the main menu. Select the corresponding organization. Click Next and select the workspace of your choice. Confirm the workspace by tapping the Select button. The jobs linked to the workspace will now load. You can also press the Refresh button to fetch the latest jobs. Once you see the job you want to execute, tap on the blue arrow to navigate to the test point list. To start a test, tap on the white circle to launch the corresponding test application. In this case, we are launching the IOLM app. Since the app is launched within Exchange, the identification is read only. Depending on the job assigned to you, you may be able to select different test configurations. When ready, tap Start to begin the acquisition. Depending on your user preference, you can either start the next test or redo the same test by pressing the Start button again. You can also navigate between test points by tapping on the left and right arrows below the Start button. Once all tests are completed, you can go back to Exchange by simply closing the test app. Back in Exchange, you can see the verdicts of the test you have completed. On the job list, an indicator will inform you if results are not fully synchronized. No indicator means all results are successfully uploaded. The status bar at the bottom of the screen indicates the date and time of the last synchronization.